On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Save It audio. So if you want to fix this problem, this video is going to help you a lot. First thing you want to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then scroll like this until you find the Instagram app and then click on it. When you click on it, it will take you directly to this page. This is the app information page, as you can see. Or what you want to do here is very simple. First thing, click on the notifications, disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on force stop, and then go down to the power usage details, click on it, and then make sure to enable the power consumption alert right here. Click on the app launch, make sure that all those options are enabled, click OK, go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now all what you want to do is just restart your phone and reopen Instagram. If the problem is not fixed yet, then you have to make sure that you have the latest version. If you don't have it, then you have to update your Instagram on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.